All right. Here we go, team. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list for the day. We have a pretty big watch list, but we're going to narrow it down to a couple different stocks. So that's what we're going to be doing here. In a sec, we can go ahead and cover anything you guys want to watch. Anything that you guys are thinking has a good opportunity today. Let me know what you guys think, because I will definitely look at your stock suggestions. So give me 1 sec while I pull up my TikTok live stream on my laptop, so I don't have to turn all the way around. Hey, good morning, good morning. Do I do Forex? No, I do not do Forex. So I do not do Forex. I trade equities. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into today's watch list. First up, we're looking at HSDT. HSDT has a news released. Roth Capital initiates coverage on Helios Medical Tech with buying rating announced target of $5. Wow. They have a target of $5 for the stock on HSDT with a 70, it's at 70 cents at the moment. So this definitely has more room to run. We've got to be careful that we're not having a head and shoulders here before we break lower. So that's definitely what we want to watch out for. Good morning, Joey. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing this morning? Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Thank you guys for the likes and you guys for the follow. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade, go over to Alpha Day Trading. They're about to do a small account challenge where they're going to grow a $500 account into whatever it grows. They're also going to be doing giveaways for traders. So if you're looking to compete against some other really, really good traders, go check them out. The link is in my bio, Alpha Day Trading. I am affiliated. It will support me, but I use their platform every single day. So I wouldn't promote something that I do not truly love. So Josh Howerton is one of the best mentors out there. Very, very compassionate and very just, his energy just lights up the community. So, but anyways, HSDT, pretty good. We also have WINT. WINT, you gotta be careful. We don't want to have this descending triangle to crack below 70 cents. If we do crack below 70 cents, we have room down to 60. I do think we're gonna see a nice break of this downtrend and a nice squeeze back up to 90. First target's gonna be obviously this $86 level and then $93. So that's what I'm going to be looking for WINT, because a lot of the times when you see a downtrend that breaks at market open, you see this thing absolutely rip. A lot of people like to take it. So that's definitely what we want to see from WINT. I'm going to be watching that pretty closely here. Sup? Race car backward. How you doing, my man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, guys. Let me know what tickers you guys want me to look at. Let me know tickers or cryptocurrency. We'll go ahead and dive into them after I'm done. We'll cover in the watch list. WINT shares trading higher after the company announces entered into a global licensing agreement to develop and commercialize of KL4. Oh, whoa, there was a big number at the end. Receive up to 79 million in milestone. So that's pretty good. They got some news. We also have QTNT is very choppy on the 1 minute, breaking the downtrend. This is something I want to watch, but I'm not a huge fan of it. Not seeing this is a trend on, this is one of those trendy stocks on Discord and Reddit. So again, I'm going to keep it on watch, but it is a back burner play. I'm actually going to switch it out. So we have HSDT and QTNT. So QTNT is going to be switched out for HSDT. And the only reason I switched it is because I have all of my watch list on this chart right here, so I wanted to be able to see that. We have HSDT. We already covered APRN. APRN has been running. Yesterday was a big day for it, and it's continuing to run, making a new swing high during pre-market. Now pulling back, sitting around 682. So I definitely think we could see this continue to squeeze. Hopefully, we can hold 680, maybe even 660 before continuing to squeeze higher for APRN. Not really seeing any news, but we do have some volume. ILAG, new IPO. This thing could absolutely rip. We're just absolutely exploding in pre-market. Not really super exploding compared to what the move has before, but ILAG does have a lot of potential. Let's see if we can break this downtrend and squeeze up to that $4 level from ILAG. We also have SMMT, just a momentum play. We are sitting below. We did gap down overnight, but we could definitely see this thing continue to push. Thank you guys for the likes. Everyone smash that like button. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I know we can. MRIN. Not a huge fan, but you know, it could be a nice move. We also have QTNT, and wow, look at that wick. Stopped everybody out. If they had, well, I mean, I guess you can't have limit orders in pre-market, so I mean, I guess not. But with HSDT starting to get some action. This looks like a head and shoulders play, in my opinion. Increasing volume on the move lower, so that volume is indicating that this is a confirmation of this move. So I'm going to be watching HSDT right out of the gate, as well as WINT. We got two stocks right out of the gate that we're going to be watching. Then we're going to be watching some other stocks for some options. So we also, let's look at drug. Drug, just very choppy on the daily, a lot of wicks. We have a gap down, but we very well could see another move higher and see it kind of maybe come up and retest maybe $2. If we could come up and retest $2, stay on drug. Is the goat fuel also that you're drinking? It's C4. Goat fuel, I've never heard of that, so but I would love to try some. Sounds like it'd be fire, but it's Skittles C4 Energy. So I woke up a little bit late today, didn't go to the gym, so you know, just improvising. This is an energy drink right before you work out, but you know, I am a pre-workout junkie. So Josh drinks it as well. Yeah, Josh loves his caffeine just like I do. Man, Josh is such a good guy. I mean, I've actually met Josh. I met him for food and drinks down in Florida in Clearwater one time when I was down there with my family. He's a good guy. And I did used to work for him. I used to make his videos and was being a mentor, or not mentor, like I wanted to be a mentor inside of the community, but just wasn't really pulling my weight for me to actually do it, because I'm still trying to learn day trading myself. I don't want to be in front of people. I don't want to be, like, I'm in front of people on live stream here, but I'm telling you guys, I'm being 100% honest with you guys. I used to go stream on Alpha, and I will stream on Alpha. When I have a few months of profitability that I'm actually making a good amount of money from trading, then I will definitely become a mentor and streamer on Alpha day trading. But again, I'm not ready for it in my trading career to actually get in there. But I can't wait for when I am, and I am streaming on this platform, so Josh can actually have maybe a break a week or something. So we can give him a break. That's the goal for me, is to be in the works with Alpha day trading and continue to push. But we'll see what happens, as you never know what the future holds. Josh has been such a good guy. I've been talking with him and I've been friends with him for now like about a year and a half now. So very good friends. He's only done nice things for me. But you know, it just didn't work out. You know, I wasn't pulling my end of the. I mean, I was actually, but the videos weren't performing as well, and it's hard to get good videos for what I was charging. So if he wanted very, very good videos, he's going to have to spend a lot more money. All right, guys, we have 4 minutes left until market opens. Because everyone smash that like button. Everyone give me a good morning. Oh, let's look at ear. Sorry, my man. Let's look at ear. Good morning, guys. Everyone smash that like button. I like this big move. Nice decreasing volume pullback. We could possibly see a move here. We have ear moving up. I honestly think we could see this all the way up to 240, possibly up to 260 today for ear. So that's what I'm looking for. We have, again, 3 minutes left. What is your guys' trading experience? Where are you guys from? And any questions you have? What time frame do you use? What are candlesticks? What are different types of orders? What is my strategy? What indicators? Guys, just lay them all out for me. I will answer every single question for you guys to the best of my ability. And if I don't know, I will 100% let you guys know that I have no idea and I'm ignorant. The one and only RGNX, basically rising here after 70% move in the past 60 days, looking for 100. So let's go ahead and see RGNX. RGNX, pulling back, but it has absolutely been crushing it lately. I do think we could see a bounce off this level. We did get a nice inverted hammer there with increasing volume. So if we can continue to push today, we might be able to see a squeeze back up to around 32. But right now, it looks more of like a head and shoulders pattern on the daily. We don't want to see this get continue. You don't want to see this get a failed push higher and then more room lower. Because if this is a confirmed head and shoulders, we're coming down to 28.55 at the 200 SMA and then 26 if we break through that. Thank you guys for the follow. We have WOY. Guys, I'm trying to go through these pretty quick before market opens because I need to focus. EOI. Don't see it. So guys, let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys are doing. Thank you for the follow, guys. Let's get to 1,000 likes. We are 700 likes away. Let's do this. Tyler Thomas thinking APRN possibly has a short squeeze. Possibly, I think so. Again, guys, we are watching WINT out of the gate as well as HSDT. So there's a couple stocks that we're watching. HSDT has a very, very good news press release. So does APRN. And we aren't even gapping that much. First target is at 85 cents. So I might be looking for a nice bounce here. So we'll see what happens. We have 1 minute left until market opens. All good, my man, all good. Thank you for coming to the stream, guys. I'm excited for this small account challenge. I'm not going to be able to participate within the first couple weeks just because I'm waiting for funds to settle, waiting for funds to get in there, moving funds around. So when I do get funds, I will be funding an account. I'll probably be doing a Robinhood account just because of the interface, because it's easier to people can follow it easier on videos. They can follow a Robinhood account way easier on videos because of how simple it is. So I might be trading an options account there. Depends on I'm gonna compare the prices, and if I compare the prices of options with Thinkorswim to see if there's any difference in the spread, but we'll see what happens here. So at the moment, I'm just waiting for a good opportunity. Waiting for HSDT. We have 10 seconds left. WINT. Everything is moving at the moment. What about ILAG? I actually like ILAG for the possible bounce. Let's see what happens here. Possibly enter with 200 shares. Let's see what happens here. Make sure to set your TIF to a day and not extended because it won't work. And I've had that happen. I've had my TIF to extended, look to buy, it doesn't work, and then I miss my entry. So watch for the pump here. It could be the pump, and I'm not going to be buying on this pump. Yep, there's the pump. There's the nice wash out to 4. There's a push up to 230, 250. So again, you gotta be a little patient here right at the gate. You gotta be very patient here. Make sure to watch your times and sales in level 2. Level 2 shows you the limit orders in the market, so you can see buying orders. HSDT as well, starting to get some action. Lots of volume. All over the upside's 81. So let's see what happens with HSDT, WINT. WINT is moving up, starting to get some volume. As well as ILAG. There's the pump higher. Let's see if we can hold APRN. Not a huge, it is pumping though. HSDT, I do like. So let's see if we can get a nice pullback here for the possible move higher. It could be very, very risky to be buying right here. But why am I buying it? I would be buying it for a continuation and a break of this trend to the downside. And you're buying it off the moving averages, as well as you're continuing this momentum to the upside. But you're buying it also on the previous swing high. This could easily squeeze, but I don't really want to take something 2 minutes out of the gate, just because I want to conserve, find out what stocks is running, find out what stocks are absolutely making the push higher. See, there's a WINT absolutely getting killed. There's everything getting killed. Watch out for WINT or HSDT to do the same. HSDT is not doing the same. It's still pumping. So let's see if we can get a nice break this downtrend, a nice retest. Let's see if we can break this downtrend and get a nice retest. Thank you guys for the likes. We are at 300 likes. Let's get to 1,000. We need 700 more. Thank you guys so much. Right now we're watching HSDT for the possible break higher. Again, we're getting decreasing volume in this move, so you got to be careful here. Go ahead and zoom in on our charts so we can get a better understanding of what's going on. MRIN looks pretty good. MRIN looks pretty good. Nice break in the downtrend. Nice decreasing volume. We might be able to see this thing continue all the way up to around, I would say around $3. I would say 240 is our first target. Over 240, where are we going to go? We have next room to 260 and then $3. So let's see if we can get a nice move here. Gotta play it patiently. Let me go ahead and reset my charts. Give me one sec. WINT, HSDT, pulling back. Guys, that's why I didn't want to do it. APRN, pulling back. ILG, pulling back. SMMT, starting to get some action, light volume. MRIN. Let's see this thing start to pull back with room up to 240. Room up to 240. If I can catch 20 cents, that would be awesome. But this thing wants to continue to dump, so not looking to touch it. Not looking to touch it whatsoever. What about QTNT? Nothing. We have SMMT starting to get some action. SSMT and MRIN are my top stocks to watch. Because everything else is getting rejected at the moment. GEHI. Don't like it. AVAY. All right, okay. AVAY, I like it, I like it, I like it. Over 105, where can we go? We have room up to this level at 140 and then potentially $2 and then fill the gap up with $2. Well, eventually 180 and then $2. So let's see if we can get through this high. Going around 650 shares if we actually do get it. Let's go and add it AVAYA. Let's see this thing start to everything else. SMMT. Let's watch SMMT. I like the volume there. I like the volume on the 5-minute. Let's see this thing continue. Here it is, ILGA. I think starting to get some action. We'll see if we can squeeze over VWAP here. We'll see if it can squeeze over VWAP. There's a lot of volume coming into this area. I'm getting hammered down, so we got to get confirmation that we're going to squeeze over VWAP and hold. If we don't, then I'm not going to take this. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the follow. If you guys are looking to trade, join the small account challenge. Go over the first link in my bio, Alpha Day Trading. Join. They have free education there. They have a ton of education that you can, as well as pro scanners, live streams every day, lessons every day. So get ready. The small account challenge starts September 1st. Go check them out. The first link is in my bio. SMMT. Let's see this thing start to move. Let's see this thing continue to move. I'm not getting some volume. We're not really seeing anything right out of the gate. So I like AVYA. If I can catch 10 cents out of this play, I'd be happy. If I could catch 10 cents out of this play, I'd be very happy. Don't like that we're closing below the previous high. We haven't closed yet, but that 5-minute looks like we are going to. So anything is possible. Play it patiently. We have WINT creeping back up. We could possibly see a red to green move here, which is what I definitely think we will see. But let's see a nice pullback. I mean, honestly, I don't know. We have very light volume in this candle. We've only been 1.5 minutes into this candle. So let's see a nice break and retest. We have 76. So let's see a nice pullback and then a nice break. See this thing's pull back? Yep, pull back. Bought a little bit too early, but you know, I'm waiting for that break, A minute 75. Minute 75. Just under 75. Let's see this thing squeeze. Yep, continue to squeeze. Let's see this thing continue to push higher. Might have flattened it if we get pushed back below VWAP here. I will have to flatten it if we push back below VWAP. I don't want to see that happen. I do not want to see that happen. There's a lot of buying now on the times and sales. Let's see this thing continue to push. Let's see this thing push, break over that high. I'm going to sell 100. Targets at 80 and 85. Let's see this thing. Nice slight volume pullback. Nice slight decreasing volume pullback with a nice squeeze. This is just the retest before squeezing up to 85. Let's see this thing squeeze up to 85 here. Here's the nice retest. Let's see this thing. Yep, there's the retest. It's pretty snappy to the upside. It's very snappy to the upside. That's what I like to see. I like to see it pretty snappy to the upside. I want to see this candle close at 76. I want to see this candle close at 76 or higher. Eight seconds left, 5 seconds left. It's going to close below, which is fine, but let's see this thing start to move. If it squeezes over VWAP in the high, my stop is going at break even. I think we could possibly see some volume start to come in. This could just be a retest of the downtrend before absolutely squeezing higher. So let's give this a little bit of time to really play on out. This could be a red to green move. Nice cup and handle potentially for the squeeze up to 180. Let's see this squeeze up to 180. I like that decreasing volume. Just the retest here. I'm going to give it some time because we do have decreasing volume. I want to see this wick. This has to wick. This candle has to be a nice wick here. We're getting rejected off VWAP, but I want to see a lot of buying orders come in. I don't want to see it squeeze lower. 10 seconds left on this candle. There's the nice wick. Let's see, it has to close with the wick. Let's see it close with the wick. We have 2 seconds left, not really seeing the wick, but we are getting decreasing volume. So let's see if we can get that squeeze over VWAP. Let's see buying pressure start to come in on this candle. It should be on this candle. Yep, there it is. There's the buying pressure. Let's see volume start to come in. If volume doesn't start to come in, I'm going to have to flatten this. If volume doesn't start to come in, I'm going to have to flatten this. Squeeze up, squeeze up, squeeze up. Going to sell 150 there at 77. Let's see this thing continue to squeeze over 80. Over 80, I'm going to sell more shares here. Let's see this thing continue to squeeze. I like that volume. I want to see this volume continue. Squeeze over 80. 80, there's going to be some selling. There's going to be a selling wall. So if we watch out for that selling wall, we're going to see this thing absolutely continue to squeeze. I'm going to squeeze up to 85. Squeeze up to 85. Not getting the movement that I wanted, so I'm selling more here. Not liking that volume on that candle. Not liking that volume on that candle whatsoever. $450 shares left. I'm going to sell more there just because I didn't really trust. 300 shares left. I'm going to hold this position. up to 85. Woohoo! There it is, guys. I'll take that. $50 in the day off that trade. What a beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade, guys. I'll take that. I'll take that any day of the week. We have WINT. That's what I'm trading. It does look like we have more room higher, but I could enter with possibly more. So I'm gonna wait for that pullback. Wait for that new setup, guys. I was selling it because we're seeing some selling at 85. Felt like we were pretty overextended. The buyers weren't strong. It was not quick, was not fast, but I'll definitely take $52 from that trade. That was like a 9% trade, so that was absolutely great. We're also ILAG starting to look pretty bullish in my opinion. 700 divided by 200. That was easy. In volume on that area. Oh yeah, there's WINT. WINT continuing to rip. Just didn't trust it though. Starting to see that thing starting to pull back, but it still could rip. I'll gladly take my money out of there. Again, I'm not trying to catch the whole move. I'm trying to get consistent base hits, and that's what I was talking about. That move right there. Did not want to get caught holding that. Let's see. We still have 20 seconds left of this candle. We already have very, very close to the same amount of volume. So we'll see what happens on this candle. See if the buyers can absorb it. If not, we have HSDT. Possibly starting to get a nice bullish action here. Let's see it break. You see it break. I'm definitely going to be looking to take this. See it break. I'm definitely going to look to take this. I don't like this song. TikTok's gonna ban me. Ooh, I haven't heard Black Eyed Peas in forever. And that is why WINT, are we below VWAP now? See, like that's what I did not want to get caught holding. That's what I was afraid of. So we have that volume, that same amount, confirming that volume, but now we're just pushing lower. So I'm glad I was able to sell that, getting it off the bounce. So, oh, here we go. Crypto Forex. This is equities. I can look at crypto. Guys, let me know what cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour and see where it goes. Bitcoin on the 1 hour looks bearish. We broke over the high and got rejected. I do think we're gonna continue to push back and continue to fall. So, ape halted. HSDT, want to see a nice move. Wet G also halted. Ooh. Give it 1 sec. Sorry, that's my Roomba. ILAG, I really like. Austin for the break. If we start to break, I'm gonna take this long. If we start to break, I'm taking this long. Binance is a good one. Is a good cryptocurrency. Or are you asking for BNB token? Oh, I gotta close my window too. They're mowing. That beat. Yeah, yeah. INDO, moving up. This thing likes to run. This thing likes to rip. There's a 200 SMA. Over that, we're going to 12, 12. Whoa. INDO likes to rip up. Trading stocks. Thank you for the follow. ICP. I think ICP is bullish over the course of the next 10 years. Welcome to the stream, guys. If you guys want to join our Alpha Day Trading Small Account Challenge, I will be taking part in it, as well as just daily lessons, hours upon hours of lessons that you can get access to amongst this, as well as the scanners. The scanners are $2,400 if you want to buy them outright. It would actually be cheaper to buy an Alpha Day Trading membership and use their scanners. That's what I do. I use theirs as well as I interact with the community. I love the community. I wouldn't promote anything that I don't enjoy. I've used Alpha Day Trading every single day for the past year and a half. So if you guys are interested, go check them out. The first link is in my bio. Fortunately, in my country, it is pointless to trade stocks because the government takes 30%. Hey, I'm in the same country. It's not pointless. It's actually good if the government's taking tax from you because you're making money. Now, there are ways you can write off your computer, you can write off your internet, you can write off your phone. If you're trading on live streaming, you can write off everything. As well as your house. You can write off the office. Hi, do you have a Telegram channel? No, I do not, but I am a part of Alpha Day Trading, so go check them out. First link in my bio. Small account challenge, very good deal. So definitely go check them out. Here we go. HSDT starting to get some action. Not really, not really, but we are going to wait for this. We are going to wait for volume to step in and to see if we can actually crack this. If we do crack this area, I do think we're going to see a nice continuation up to 80, 85. Here comes the volume. Oh man, I got filled at a terrible level, guys. I got filled at a terrible level. I'm in at 69. I'm in right there. Got filled. I wanted to get filled down here at 68, but it's all good. I'm in with 1,000 shares. Let's see this thing continue to squeeze. Let's see this thing squeeze over 70. Squeeze over 70. Over 69, we're going to see this thing squeeze. We have some orders at this level. I bought it just a little bit too early. Wanted that move, but wasn't able to get it. I'm trading the choppiness now. Might have to take a very small loss real quick. Might have to take a very small loss. Let's see this continue to push. I mean, let's see some buyers step in here. I mean, not really seeing it at all. Just getting absolutely hammered. Let's see. We have 55 seconds left. If we don't see it bounce off VWAP, I'm going to have to cut it here. What in the world was that? Are you fucking kidding me? What a terrible fill. TD Mayor trade's fucking dog shit. I was taking a trade there, but wasn't able to actually keep on my profits. I'm up $28 in the day. Got pretty greedy. Wanted to take that trade. Wanted to make it long, but you know. Unfortunate. I wanted to take that trade. Wanted to get the squeeze. Bought early because I thought it was going to break, but didn't break. So unfortunate, unfortunate, unfortunate. Anyways, guys, I am done streaming, as well as lawn care's right outside my window, so it's going to be pretty loud. Is the US 32? Imagine it this way: if you worked for initial money, then took taxes on that, then you take that risky money, so almost a third of it. Hey, I'm looking to make as much money to where if it takes a third, it's like, okay, that's fine, I'll use the rest. I'm also not going to when I get to a certain level, I'm not going to let the government tell me, oh, here's your tax bill, use it. No, I'm not going to be paying taxes. When I'm starting to make money, I am not paying taxes. Even if I'm trading stocks, I will be able to throw that money and use it and have no income on my other business, take a loss, so that I don't actually have to pay taxes. There's always a way around it. You just have to find the right tax guy or learn the tax code yourself. So there's always better work. We're at 1,500 likes. Thank y'all so much. I'm done for the day. I'm up $20. I was up $50. I decided to take a trade. Money to invest. How and where? Don't ask me. You have to figure that out on yourself. Don't listen to anybody on TikTok. Don't listen to anybody on the internet. I mean, you can form your own conclusion, but I would give you a few tips. If you're looking to trade like this, if you're looking to trade, Thinkorswim is free. It's a great platform. But if you're looking to invest, TD Ameritrade as well. This is what Thinkorswim is run on. TD Ameritrade and or Fidelity. I would use those two. Now, I'm not going to tell you what stocks or what you should do with what kind of IRA, what account you should do. That's all up to you. So, as always, guys, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. We are up a whopping $23 in the day. Nothing crazy. I was looking for a trade on HSDT, but didn't get it. So, unfortunate. Wasn't able to, but I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Oh, also, if you guys want to trade and learn how to trade, go to the link in my bio and go to Alpha Day Trading. This is the platform up here. I use them every single day, so go check them out. We're starting a small account challenge on September 1st. So see you guys there. All right, thank you, YouTube. Oh, been streaming for 40 minutes, end stream, and